Welcome back to another video here at Automotive Therapy. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I just want to quickly discuss why I am replacing my Crankhub after 1 month of ownership with my car. I've had zero issues with the car. Reliability's been fine. No weird lights on the car. So there's nothing wrong with my car, but I just want to explain why I'm going to replace the Crankhub and why it's something to consider for anybody that has the S55 engine. So yeah, let's hop into it. So first reasoning, guys, when I was purchasing my M4, this is obviously a factor in it. And I knew that this was something I was eventually going to have to deal with. I was picturing myself doing this probably once I was tuned and completely bolt on and, you know, getting crazy with my racing. The car right now just sits in the garage. I work from home and it's not really, you know, car season, so not too much happening. So I figured right now would be the perfect time for me to use the time I have to have the car put away in a shop and have this worked on. So anyways, so I bought the car and I barely drive it. I've put about 2,000 miles on it, but I do drive it pretty aggressively. You know, I do a lot of downshifting. I have the DCT transmission, which is a really aggressive transmission for downshifting. A lot of racing, just trying to have some fun with it because I'm excited about my new car. But I just don't have peace of mind. Like, it is so bad. Every time I drive the car, I'm just thinking about that Crankhub. So I didn't realize it would bother me this much owning the car for only, you know, this little of time. So I went ahead and decided to get the funds together and go ahead and just get a 4-pinned Crankhub so that I can really just make sure that never goes wrong in my car. So starting in February, first week of February, I have my car being sent off to Colorado N5X. You guys may know who he is. He's pretty popular on Instagram, really popular for his website. He sells a lot of BMW platform, aftermarket parts and everything. So anyways, he's local here in Colorado to me, and he recently opened up a shop with some pretty popular BMW mechanics that are known for great work and everything. So anyways, the car is going to go over to him and he's going to get his work of his team of guys, and they're gonna go ahead and just get this Crankhub replaced for me. Brian at Colorado N5X, he was the, you know, he sells these Crankhubs, and I believe we're going with the SSR Performance 4-pinned Crankhub, which has zero failures so far. No S55s have had any issues with it, so really confident in going with that brand. Lots of good videos on YouTube with those Crankhubs, so I think we'll be okay there. Anyways, I'm going to have all that taken care of, and my plan is to have all that out of the way, got the peace of mind. I'm going to go ahead and start tuning the car, putting more power on it, raising the boost, and, you know, by then it's going to start heading back into car season. So I think this is the perfect time for me to get it done. I'm not really going to go too much into why the Crankhub fails because there's so many resources and videos on that already, and we're all pretty familiar with why it fails. It's just a matter of fact of, are you going to replace yours or not? So in my opinion, I believe everybody should replace it, mainly people with the DCT. Just looking at this forum, for example, I'm looking at all these cars who have, you know, this is a list of failed Crankhubs, and most of these are DCT, but a lot of them are modded. There's a couple of them that are stock and that had it failed, which is my case. You know, I'm stock and it could easily still fail on me. So definitely, you know, the list is growing and we're becoming more familiar with how these things are just not suitable for people who, you know, drive aggressively. So I would definitely recommend that if you have an S55, and it's something that you drive hard and something you want to mod, I would just say find a way to get it done. And it's better than replacing your engine. It's better than dealing with a tow truck on the side of the road. And it's just good to have that peace of mind. So that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. You know, I just bought the M4. Nothing's broken on it. Everything's working fine. Just got to get that Crankhub taken care of because it's just something that's always creeping up behind me in my thoughts when I'm driving the car. So just a quick little update for you guys. I'm getting that Crankhub installed. I got so many parts that are ordered and ready to be put on the M4. We're just waiting on, you know, time frame and shipping and everything. So stay tuned for that, guys. But I hope this video helped. You know, this is just my perspective. I think it's just necessary. I love driving this car and I just don't want to deal with it. So I'm going to get it done and taken care of, and we'll see how it goes with my car. So anyways, I'll film my experience with getting it installed. So stay tuned for that. But I have a lot of videos coming with the M4, other BMW videos as well. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers this year. So let's make it happen, guys. I appreciate you watching this. Take care and peace out.